Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change your custom profile URL on Steam. This is a quick way to personalize your Steam identity and make your profile easier to share. First, open your Steam app. If you do not have it installed, go to the official Steam website and download it. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click your profile name in the top right corner and select View My Profile from the drop-down menu. On your profile page, click Edit Profile. Scroll to the Custom URL section and enter your desired profile link. Make sure it is unique and easy to remember. Once you have typed in your new URL, click Save at the bottom of the page to apply the changes. And that is it. You have just updated your custom profile URL on Steam. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.